Today feels like the middle of summer in the Northeast. We had lots of sunshine, humid conditions, and temperatures soaring into the 90s. Right now, still the 90s across New York into Vermont. Boston is a warm spot, 92 degrees. Severe weather threatens once again the plains up to the Midwest today. Across Oklahoma into Missouri, we're already seeing this evening with thunderstorms firing up. That's why there's a tornado watches in effect from Missouri down into Oklahoma till at least through tonight. Meanwhile, severe thunderstorm watch in effect across Wisconsin due to these line of thunderstorms that right now have weakened a bit but still capable of producing some damaging winds, as they already have a history of producing hail and damaging winds across the Duluth area and into the Eau Claire earlier today, but already pushing away north and east from Eau Claire. Further southward, just south of Chicago, we're seeing some drenching rainfall into central Illinois, but the stormier side is definitely over Missouri right now along Interstate 70 in Columbia, dealing with some gusty thunderstorms. They are dangerous and intensifying this evening. Do be careful along the interstates, and some thunderstorms beginning to fire up just west of Oklahoma City.